Mommy, you're beautiful.
Really?
Yes.
Alright, say thanks to Auntie Stacy.
Thanks, Auntie Stacy. Thanks, Auntie Stacy.
What?
Auntie
Cake? Oh my
It's Carrie
goodness.
Pet fashion again. Woo!
Are you talking to me? Hi guys, it's Carrie Peck Fashion the Game. So this
Hi guys, so if you haven't watched my video where I showed you guys how I do my bald cap method without makeup, click the card up to watch it. So on today we have our model Carrie Peck Fashion. She has a YouTube channel. I'll link her YouTube channel down below so you check her out. She does everything beauty, health and all that. So you already know how I do my installs. I have so many videos showing you guys how to do installs, so we are not going to waste so much time explaining how many layers of glues we'll be using or whatever. So right now I'm done with the glue and letting it clear, so I'll put a little bit of makeup to match your skin, and then I'll go ahead and put the lace on her forehead where I placed the glue. So when I was done with both sides, I cut the ear tabs. I'll just link a card up to show you, for those of you who want to watch a complete series on how to install your wig perfectly. I'll leave a card at the right hand side of this video. Click there and you watch wig 101, wig install 101. So you cut the lace from the ear tab. Since you will use this install for a while, we have to sew the back part of the wig so that it should be secure enough to last longer. Removing a little bit of hair in front, different patches, and then cut, then swab it with my hairbrush.
Hi guys, it's Carrie Pickles of the game. So this designer, nobody ever installed my wig like this, and I mean, I didn't know we could be this cute, pretty, and so gorgeous. So, thank you so much, Stacy. You're just got us a hair goddess, and I'm so happy that I came here just for, I mean, who would love this hair? I mean, just take a look. Just take a look at this hair. I mean, do you love it? Do you love it? If you love it, just click below the link that says order your wig and you just get the best wig. Alright guys, this is all we had for you today. So just stay cool and see ya. Bye. Mwah.